Few flowers brighten spring quite like daffodils. Their blooms are cheerful, timeless, and they are often the first sign that spring is here. They're easy to grow, come back year after year, and look stunning in garden beds, borders, and containers. When it comes to the bulbs, be sure to choose the ones that are firm and heavy. It's a sign of good health. Larger bulbs usually mean bigger, stronger flowers. Plant daffodil bulbs in fall before the ground freezes. They need the cold period to form roots and prepare for spring flowering. Choose a spot that gets full to partial sun with soil that drains well. Daffodils don't like sitting in soggy ground, so if your soil is heavy, mix in compost or plant in raised beds or containers. A good rule of thumb is to plant the bulbs about 3 times the size of the bulb, so it usually is about 6 inches. Before setting them in, sprinkle a bit of bone meal into the hole. It's rich in phosphorus, which helps the bulbs grow strong roots and store more energy for next season's blooms. Place the bulbs pointy side up and space them 4 to 6 inches apart. For a natural look, avoid straight rows, scatter them and plant them where they fall, or cluster them in groups of 5 to 7. Once planted, cover them with soil, water them well to help them get settled in before winter. Daffodils are extremely low maintenance. After they bloom, allow the leaves to die back naturally. Those leaves are busy sending energy back to the bulb for next year. You can feed lightly with a bulb fertilizer and fall again after flowering to keep them strong. If your daffodils start to look crowded or bloom less, lift and divide the clumps every few years once the foliage has yellowed. Daffodils are reliable, deer-resistant, and one of the easiest spring bulbs to grow. With good soil, sunlight, and a little care, they'll fill your garden with bright, joyful color every year. If you like to shop high-quality bulbs and planting supplies, be sure to visit the Wildwood online store. We've got everything you need to grow happy, healthy daffodils.